Hello and welcome back to Mark's House and Garden UK. We moved into Rose Cottage just over 2 years ago, and the first thing we did was remodel the kitchen, and it's quite a small kitchen as you can probably see, so we decided to splash out a bit and get something a bit fancy, a bit posh. So we bought these lovely quartz surfaces, and you can probably see that they're almost white and they've got a little fleck of grey in them. And they are beautiful and we love them, but there's a slight problem with them. They're easy to wipe down and most of the stuff that you spill on them comes off. But they do seem to stain with the smudges. It happens particularly badly just down here by the drink station. This is where we brew up. There's our kettle and our coffee machine. Inevitably, a tea bag will drop on there, or you'll drip some tea on there, and it does leave these little brown stains. I'll bring the camera in close so that you can see them. Just here, almost imperceptible. In fact, I'm going to put the light on to make them a little bit more obvious. And I don't know if that makes those little stains anywhere more obvious, but you can see them there. They're like a little smudge, and it doesn't matter how much you wipe them. It's still there. It's almost like it's ingrained in the granite or the quartz. But a friend of ours has given us a fantastic solution which works every time, and I'm going to demonstrate it right now. Here it is. It's called the pink stuff. You can buy it on Amazon, and I will put the link to this in the description box below this video. And if you buy it through my link, I do earn a small commission. I'm going to give you a little secret in a moment, so you don't have to buy it through Amazon, because there's a place on the high street where you can buy that. Watch this. Now this is a general purpose cleaning spray. I'm not going to use that. I'm going to use this cleaning paste. They call it a paste. Now I'm getting quite a lot of shadows on this. I'm going to bring the camera in again close, and hopefully we'll get that stain disappearing in front of our eyes. Now I'm still not entirely sure if you can actually see the stain. It's a smudge. It's around here. Let me see if my torch will lighten it up any more. But there is a brown smudge just there, and it's a tea stain. And you get kind of almost ingrained stains on this white quartz. And I was worried about it because it wasn't cheap and it was our luxury, and we splashed out on it, and I was thinking, okay, I hope that's not going to happen all the time. And then our friends Trevor and Gary told us about this stuff, and I'm going to demonstrate how effective it is in front of your eyes right now. Now this is very smooth stuff, this quartz, and I don't want to do anything that's going to scratch it. And they call this miracle cleaning paste, and it's like a pink paste, and it's got an element of scouring in it. It is a bit abrasive, but it doesn't do anything to damage the quartz. There's the stain right there. Let's see if we can pick it up on camera, disappearing. You really just gently rub it around on the stain. I can hear it, it's a bit scratchy, but after I wipe it off, there's no stain, and it's still incredibly smooth. Incredibly effective stuff. You can use it for spot cleaning like this, or you can use it for the whole work surface, and it works a treat. There is absolutely no tea stain there now whatsoever. So there you go, my little hack for cleaning white quartz. Now I told you that you can get this on the high street. I'd love it if you bought it through my Amazon links, because I do earn a small commission on every item sold, and it all goes back into the house and garden. But if you just want to go down to the local high street or retail place, you can buy this in home bargains. So there we go, the pink stuff. Little bit of news for you. I've just bought this aloe from a garden centre. It's got 5 little pups. I'm going to propagate that later. I'll see you soon for some more house and garden adventures. Bye for now.